US equity markets ended the week higher, while Asian and European markets both moved lower by the end of the week. The main drivers from last week was the news that Abu Dhabi has supported Dubai World with their debt problems out of the Middle East. There are also some more positive movements coming out of the US. The US Federal Reserve have left their cash rate on hold, but have decided that they see some further good measures coming out of the US economy. This is likely to mean that they will start to remove some of the stimulatory measures they put in place to help support the US economy. Over in Ireland, banking stocks did decline last week after their Federal Reserve Governor indicated that he would not be surprised if the Irish government ended up having a 50% stake in their two largest banks. Allied Irish and the Bank of Ireland both moved lower, decreasing by 17% by the end of the week. There has been some movement for currency markets over the past week, and once again the main drivers were coming out of the Middle East as well as out of the US. The New Zealand dollar did strengthen to 73 cents immediately after the announcement that Abu Dhabi will inject $10 billion into Dubai in order to help out with their debt issues. The US dollar was in strength later on in the week after the Federal Reserve announcement. Their more positive tone did indicate to currency traders that they may need to start increasing their rates a little bit sooner rather than later. After the weekend, the New Zealand dollar has strengthened just a little bit, and on Monday morning it is trading at 71.20 against the US dollar. Demand for beef out of the US still seems to be relatively weak, and some of the major supermarket chains are now starting to discount beef in order to get it out the door for this Christmas period. Walmart, which of course is one of the world's largest retail chains, has announced a new promotion for beef over the past week. This promotion involves a Christmas hamper for a family of 8 for under $30 US. However, the low-cost product of pork still poses a real problem for beef at this present time. With high stocks in the US around at the moment, they are now starting to liquidate pork, especially around this Christmas period. This will provide some problems for beef down the track. Here in New Zealand, scheduled prices have remained fairly flat over the past week, but I would not be surprised to see further declines as the season unfolds.